Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1966 Pontiac LeMans convertible, factory red on red car out of Virginia. Good, solid Virginia body. They said it's about a 12-year-old. Frame up restoration, slick car, guys. Really hits the road good. I'm gonna apologize. Matter of fact, Eddie's been yelling at me here. I'm rushing to get videos done. It's a beautiful spring day today. We're gonna drive this thing with the top down, and we've got 3 inches of snow coming tomorrow. So I've been driving him crazy. He has not had any chance other than to wipe this thing down, but I'm going to try to knock some videos out. I know he wanted to fix a little pinstripe on it, but if not, there's a good chance none of these cars are going to get advertised for a week because I'm leaving town for a car show. Again, factory color combination. I will tell you one thing, guys. Drove this car, put a few miles on it. Good car. Hits the road good. Really drives out nice. I love the rally ones on it. It's got the Hankook white wall tires on it. Original 326 underneath the hood. I told this guy, outstanding move. Put a GTO hood on the car. Totally changed the look. It looks like you're driving a GTO. Again, great driver. If you're looking for something to just have a blast in, I think you're gonna love the car. Again, there's a couple little blemishes you can kind of nitpick at. I know there's, another little stone peck right there. Chrome and stainless is nice. Yeah, see, Eddie, if you see that right there, that will wipe right off. Unfortunately, he'll be hollering at me here. And again, I saw this. Yeah, he's going to try to fix that little pinstripe. Looks like somebody took a little chunk of the pinstripe out. But nice car. Great sounds, got Dynomax dual exhaust on it. The trim and stuff on this car is very nice. Now, one thing, the interior is all brand spanking new. All new legendary seat covers, new door pads. It's got a power convertible top. It works real nice. It's white with the plastic rear window. Again, the boot's new. But they just did the seats and everything, so they're brand spanking new. This is a nice car, though. Look how nice this stuff is. I love the tail lights on these cars. That tail panel's nice. You can pick at the rear bumper a little bit. Little thing there. Again, same thing. He'll try to see if you can fix that. It's nice and straight down the sides. I love the rally ones. Little chrome tips on it. Good car. Real good car. And you don't have to spend $75,000-$80,000 for a GTO. Love the rally ones. Sorry, that's from me just bringing it around, getting splashes on the side. Good looking car, man. Again, original 326 V8. I think it's 2-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power brakes. He said the steering box is all brand new too. Aluminum radiator, stock chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, factory 2-speed power glide automatic transmission. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. And again, we haven't done anything, guys. I mean, this is really the way I bought it. If you see that, that's just little splashes from our parking lot. Everything's wet, melting, and it's a great, beautiful spring day. works real good, goes up and down, clamps down real easy. I like that about Pontiacs. They're usually a lot easier than Chevelles. These look almost new. They look great. Remote mirror works. It should wipe off, yeah, that'll wipe off, guys. Looks like new door handles, new door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. Factory bucket seats, console. All the little interior lights work. Again, these are brand new, all repadded, refoamed. Couple little cracks I see in the steering wheel. 70,128 your original miles on the car. He said he figured there's about 3,000 miles since it's been restored. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette radio. Again, Dynomax dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end, no big gear or anything. Little show board that goes with the car. I thought that was pretty cool. Factory jack with spare. Sorry, man. I'm rushing these boys. Eddie's not happy with me at all. I think that's a remade window sticker. Again, you can see the car, the show board that goes with it. New sway bar and stuff. New front suspension. Power tops, definitely newer. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Just a good car. I love the taillights on these things. The car's clean underneath, floors are clean. If you're looking for a fun driver, I think you'll really like this car. Make sure you're watching out next week. I'll have some more stuff coming. If you guys have been watching the site, I've been buying cars like a madman, man. I've been traveling like crazy. My wife's getting ready to kill me. It's the only way to find cars. But leaving for a show again next week. That's why I'm rushing so bad to get stuff on today, because we're supposed to have snow tomorrow, Monday, and I'm here one day next week and then leaving for a car show, so it makes it pretty tough to get cars advertised. I know some people have been waiting for that little Falcon. I had new dual exhaust put on it today, so we might be able to get some pictures of it tomorrow. But Mother Nature just doesn't want to cooperate. Again, car just hits the road great. Runs and drives, sweet as can be. I love that hood. Smart move there, putting that hood on. Gives that car a whole different look. Not much for gauges. The clock I don't think works. The fuel gauge does work and the speedo works. Again, the power top works real nice. Doors open and close real nice. Good sound. What do you got on, Gary? You got your brakes on? Yeah. All right, we got one bulb out here in the back. Left turn signal? Right? Hit your brakes again. There they are. All right, never mind. Probably just connects. Put it in reverse. Yeah, reverse lights work. Give it a little rev. Good sound. Chrome tips look good. I know the blower motor works. Turn your radio on. I didn't turn that on. Yep, it looks like it's got power. You just got to get to a station.
If you owe more than $10,000.
It works. Fit finish is nice. Wipers. Love the stacked headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to see the new stuff. I know I've been slow. Mother Nature has not cooperated. Everybody's got great suggestions. Hire somebody to do the videos. No. Believe old cars are opinions. I give you my opinion of why I bought that car.